The Apple Watch is one of the best-selling smartwatches in the world. It has a market share of about 42%. Apple Watch is the most popular smartwatch for a number of reasons. One of these is that it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means you don't have to buy an iPhone in order to use it. Another reason why people love Apple Watch is that it has a bunch of different features. For example, you can use your watch to pay for things with Apple Pay or track your activity and fitness goals. You can also send messages and make phone calls with your watch. If you want an Apple Watch but are on a budget, there are other models available at lower prices than the newest model. So today's video I will show you 5 best Apple Watch you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Series 3. Apple Watch Series 3 GPS 38mm. The ultimate device for a healthy, active lifestyle. With built-in GPS and a water-resistant design, Apple Watch lets you take your workout everywhere you go. Whether you go for a run with Nike Run Club or take a yoga class from the experts at MindBody, Apple Watch Series 3 gets you covered. And when your day's done and it's time to rest, Apple Watch is the ultimate device for a healthy life. It's packed with features to help you stay fit and active while allowing you to stay connected too. With advanced technology and a lightweight design, Apple Watch Series 3 lets you do it all. Number 4. Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 6 GPS is a powerful, intelligent and informed timepiece. It's a beautiful watch that's also an intelligent health and fitness companion for all of your daily activities, from running to swimming to sleeping. The Apple Watch Series 6 GPS comes with more than 40 different world-class apps, including the most advanced and popular games. And it's the only smartwatch that gives you instant access to Siri so you can send messages. The Apple Watch Series 6 GPS is the perfect timepiece for those who have always wanted an Apple Watch but wanted more. This watch has a larger display, is thinner and lighter than the previous version, and has a new S3 processor with faster performance. And with an all-new red aluminum case and activity tracker, this watch will stand out in any crowd. Number 3. Series SE. The world's most popular watch with a revolutionary cellular option. Now you can take it with you, even when you leave your phone behind. The Apple Watch SE is the perfect size, with advanced features and a sleek design. It's easy to use, and it's packed with innovative technology, all at an amazing price. SE is the entry-level Apple Watch with a 40mm face that has all the essential features you need in a smartwatch plus some extras. The newest SE is the first of our watches to have built-in cellular so you can stay connected, whether you're working out or traveling abroad. Stay connected with your friends and family, even when you're on the go. Apple Watch SE is the perfect way to stay active, motivated, and connected to the people and information you care about most. Run without your phone. Text without reaching for your phone. And do it all while leaving your phone behind. Get yours today. Number 2. Series 5. Supercharge your active life with Apple Watch Series 5. The ultimate health and fitness companion, this Apple Watch delivers built-in cellular service for texting, talking, and staying connected with essential data. It has a bigger display with sharper text and graphics and is swim-proof too for the pool or ocean. The new S5W2 chip delivers increased performance and responsiveness with new Siri shortcuts. And you can take it from the pool. The Apple Watch is the ultimate device for a healthy, active life. It's packed with health and fitness features that can help you get exercise and stay motivated, measure your workouts, and track your heart rate. And now Apple Watch Series 5 comes with cellular built-in and can connect to cellular networks for calls, texts, and data. Number 1. Series 7. Stop guessing at your health with Apple Watch Series 7. The most powerful and advanced Apple Watch with a 45mm product red aluminum case and product red sport band. Built-in activity and calorie tracking, blood oxygen level and ECG monitor, water-resistant to 50 meters, always-on Retina display, Siri, LTE cellular connectivity subject to carrier, up to 18 hours of battery life. iPhone required for some features. The new Apple Watch is an advanced health and fitness tracker, a powerful tool for communication and a personal assistant, all in one sleek device. It's a new way to connect and share with our friends and family while staying active and motivated with fun games. Built to be tough. It's more crack-resistant, it's dust-resistant, and it's swim-proof. It works seamlessly with your Apple devices and services. Listen to music with your AirPods. Unlock your Mac automatically. Find your devices with a tap. Pay and send money with Apple Pay. Apple Watch requires an iPhone 6s or later with the latest iOS version.